आज जो यहाँ विशाखापट्टनम में रोड शो हुआ, इसमें हमारी राज्य उड़ीसा में जो इम्पोर्टेंट टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है उसको हमने हाईलाइट किया। उसके बारे में जो भी पोटेंशियल्स है सारे लोगों को बताने की हमने कोशिश की, ताकि हमारे जो नेबरिंग स्टेट है आंध्र प्रदेश या अदर स्टेट्स, वहाँ से विजिटर्स टूरिस्ट हमारे स्टेट को जो इम्पोर्टेंट टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है यहाँ विज़िट करें, उसका आनंद लें। इसके साथ हमारा जो इको रिट्रीट, एक लग्जरियस टेंटिंग अकोमोडेशन इवेंट जो 15 दिसंबर से शुरू हो रहा है ना, इसके लिए हमारा 7 लोकेशंस पे हमारे स्टेट पे हो रहा है। तो इसके लिए कैसा अरेंजमेंट हमने किया है, कैसा फूड होगा, कैसा सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी होगा, कैसे आप लोग जाओगे, कितना डिस्टेंस है, वहाँ क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ होगा, आपको कैसे बहुत मज़ा मिलेगा, ये सारी चीज़ें हमने एक्सप्लेन किए ताकि हमारे नेबरिंग स्टेट और अदर स्टेट से ज़्यादा लोग आए, इसका मजा लें। थैंक यू।
Odisha by road is a good initiative to start just post COVID, because as you know, during COVID period and just after COVID period, traveling in any public bus transport service, be it air traffic or a train, people normally avoid. So what is important is that we can expect people to travel from the nearby places to the tourist destination by their own transport. So basically, we in Odisha Tourism, we thought that our neighboring states should be our catchment area, and also for Andhra Pradesh, Odisha may be the catchment area. The second point, what we thought, during this pandemic period, normally people avoid city-based travel. People want eco atmosphere where there is no traffic congestion, there is a lot of clean air, no threat for COVID. That kind of setting is required. So Odisha initially, the tagline is India's best kept secret, and we thought that this is the best time to unveil our secret and allow visitors to see all these secret places. So this eco retreat is one of the India's most exciting glamping event. This year it is the 3rd edition. We started in 2019 and 20 in one location, that is Chandrabhaga, near to Sun Temple, Konark, in the sea beach. Just after pandemic, it started 14th of December 2000, and I think it was prior to pandemic. The year 1 was the prior to pandemic. We had a occupancy of 82%, unthinkable. Government run a luxury accommodation, and with 82% occupancy, tariff ranging between 10,000 to 28,000 is a big achievement. Anybody will appreciate. In the year 2, amongst pandemic, we initiated in 5 places, and everywhere we had a decent occupancy in spite of whatever restriction we had. Konark we had about 60 odd percent, and in all other 4 locations we had around 45-50% occupancy. Taking a clue from last year experience, we thought that this year also people will start traveling once the traveling is eased out, and we are this time doing in 7 locations. And the locations are Konark, and locations are Konark, that is the Sun Temple, Konark. The Chandrabhaga is just 3 km from Konark Sun Temple, and it is about 30 km from Puri, and about 60 km from Bhubaneswar. It is a site in the Golden Triangle, the famous Golden Triangle, and lot of activities are there. Then you have Bhitarkanika, It's a national sanctuary, and it is famous for crocodile and mangrove forest. Then Satkosia, again it is a crocodile sanctuary and also a huge Mahanadi Gorge, which is a breathtaking sight. Hirakud, that is the longest earth dike. All these locations are actually waterfront. Either there is sea or there is river.